So there's the Saturday session and there are 3 Sunday panels. Saturday workshop really is called Experimenting with Experiments, an experiment development workshop. It's organized by Libby Weber, University of Irvine, and she has asked Stefan Billinger, Southern Denmark University, Tim Devini, Leeds, Daniela Laurero Martinez, I hope I get it right, ETH, and Jeff Kistrup to join her. The idea is to have 3 hours, I believe, with 1 hour dedicated to presentations by these 4 plus Libby. And then the participants will have the possibility of discussing their experimental designs with Libby and the 4 colleagues who join her for the workshop. It's quite an exciting setup. I think it's the first time in the Behavioral Strategy Interest Group that we specifically focus on experimental methodology. So for the Sunday morning panels, we have 3 ones. The first one is called The Boundaries of Behavioral Strategy. And this is a panel that has emerged in response to discussions of, is behavioral strategy really just applied OB? Is there more to it? What exactly is strategic about it? So there's been this ongoing discussion and almost suspicion that does it really add to strategy? And to help us, to help us clarify that issue, hopefully, we have Jay Barney, Jara Di Stefano, Jackson Nicholson, and Libby Weber again. The second one is one that we do with the Corporate Strategy Interest Group. This is about signaling theory. Signaling theory is, it's a traditional area in economics, so there's a lot of economics research on it. It's also very influential in management. And of course, there's also a psychological dimension to signaling. So in this particular panel, which includes Ivana Namorska, Brian Connolly, David Gamillion, Margaret Wiersema, and Mauricio Soto, we'll discuss the differences and similarities between economic and behavioral approaches to signaling. There's the third panel for the Sunday. It's called Motivational Foundations for Strategy Research. And this is with the Stakeholder Strategy Interest Group. It's organized by Flore Brideau. This is with Flore and myself, Rodolphe Durand, and Doe Boss. And the idea is basically to discuss what are proper motivational micro-foundations for strategy research. It's not something we've discussed a lot. So how does it matter for value creation and value appropriation what we assume about the motivation of people in organizations and people obviously in top management teams?